morning. So I am doing a really quick video here from my bed with my messy bed head and my really cool sports bra here. Um, but I am showing you how to make a GIF. Now, the reason I want to make a GIF is because I'm actually going to put it inside of my subscriber insider email list. And the last GIF I made turned out really cool, and it was like it's doing really well. I even posted one of my GIFs here on my Facebook. Now you can't post GIFs as of right now to your public pages. Your Facebook page won't allow it. It'll process the GIF as processes it as a video, but on your personal profile, you can put GIFs on there. So this was kind of cool because it just showed like what to do when somebody likes my page. Click see first. So that was fun. So this morning, I'm making a GIF to invite my email subscriber insiders to get a notification from Facebook. And I'm not sending out the notifications, I'm not, putting people's names on a list and going to send them all out a message separately. No, no, no. I'm going to duplicate my time and leverage my efforts by using my bot, which, by the way, if you don't already have a Facebook bot, you need one because they're amazeballs and they will totally save you a bunch of time. And if you don't know the first thing about creating a bot, it's kind of a pain in the butt, and you're probably going to need to learn from somebody. Luckily, I've invested in my education for making bots, and I have a Facebook bot course. So you can take the course standalone, or you can take it bundled inside of my kind of like my Influencer Academy. Anyways, you'll see that course available on my website. So just letting you know, if you want to know how to make a bot, I've got your back. And just for anything else, resources, etc., just go to my site, sarahmichaels.com. I do have some free trainings and tutorials on the site, but most of my content is geared towards the courses and stuff like that. So there you can see it. So course, and then resources and free training. So that's all at sarahmichaels.com. Okay, let's jump into the GIF maker. So what I've done here is I've gone to giphy.com, GIPHY.com. What I did was, and I'm going to show you the process here. You guys know my style of training is like watch me work style of training. It works really good for me instead of me just telling you this is how to make a GIF. I actually show you. So what I did was I sent a preview of this message to my phone. Okay, so I hit the screen record on my phone. Okay. And I took a screen record of me opening this message on my phone, clicking confirm, because that just lets people know. A lot of the times people won't click on something because they don't know what's going to come up. They're like, oh, are you just going to like spam me? Or, what's going to happen when I click this link? So I like to show them that. It builds connections and trust with my community. So I did a really quick screen recording of my video. And then I uploaded it to my Google Drive blog file for sarahmichaels.com. You guys know if you've been around any length of time, I keep separate folders for my clients for like literally everything. So now I'm going to go, my husband who's right next to me just sent me a post, so it's very distracting. Now I'm going to go here to GIF Maker and upload that video. Let's see, where did it post? Let's see. Is that it? That must be it. It's just kind of a weird video file name. Okay, so now, here it is. Okay. No, I don't want that. I want it to start. Want to start? Okay. Maybe I want it to start because I want to see them. I want them to actually see like clicking it, right? Okay, so let's see how this goes. Okay, because I want them to see the whole process of clicking, so let me make sure. So I just adjusted the duration and I did the start time. Okay, I'm going to go back. Let's see. Okay. Ooh, 11.1 seconds. Magical. Continue. Now, if I wanted to say something on this, I could say like, get insider reminders via Facebook. And I could move this up or put it in the middle. I don't know if I like the text because it's kind of taken my eyeballs away from that. So, but anyways, if you wanted to put a text on there, you could. You could make it like all sparkly, like, ooh, insider reminders. Let's see how that looks. Oh, that's not bad. I don't mind that. Okay, I'm going to actually go with this, I think. All right, and I'm going to upload to Giphy here. Okay, it's going to create my GIF. This is so great. Sitting here in the morning, I'm recording a video in my sports bra. Everybody's getting all of the messes here. No frills here. Okay, perfect. All right, so now I can either embed this GIF, like if I wanted to put it directly into, embed it into like a blog post, I'm going to download it. So I'm using a MacBook. I'm just using the control, the keyboard. So control and then click, and I'm going to go to save image as, and I'm saving this as my, let's see, insider Facebook reminder GIF. Okay, and now I'm going to go back over to my email. Okay, and now I'm going to upload that as an image because I don't want to put a video in an email. That's too confusing. So then I'm just going to search for GIF. No. I want it to search for this in here. Sarah Michaels. Okay, it should be somewhere. It should be saying GIF. There's my Fred Flintstone GIF that I uploaded. That was hilarious. Insider, where am I not seeing it? Oh, here it is. Okay. Moment of truth. Let's see if this works. It should work, and it should be really cute. Yes, that's the file I want. Enter. I just did it. Ah, there we go. Okay. There we go. That's cool, right? It's so cool. I'm so excited about this, babe. I'm like so jacked. Look at this. Look at how cool that looks. Wouldn't that make you want to get a reminder from it now? Uh-huh. Yeah. Without the GIF, they're just like, it's just a link, right? But with the GIF, it's one extra step. But I believe in those extra steps, and I believe in making the most of every opportunity. That's one of the principles that I teach in my courses. You don't have to always be focused on the shiny marketing or like, what's going to do this or this funnel or that. It's like, no, do more with what you have right now. So go deep. Okay, go deep with your current audience. Build that deeper connection with them because then they are going to be more likely to share, refer, and you don't have to be spending all this money on marketing. When your current circle of influence, if you have 100 people and they each invited one person, well, there's 200 people. Okay, and it just goes out like that instead of you having to constantly throw new money at marketing. Go deep before you go wide. So this is one of those just fun little, ways of doing that. So anyways, that being said, if you aren't already, this is a shameless plug for my insider subscriber list, and you would like to get behind the scenes. So the insider subscriber is a weekly email that comes out from me. it's at the very least, it's at least a weekly recap, letting you know behind the scenes what we're up to, some fun pictures and stuff. This is kind of like our inner circle like list. It's pretty cool. And I love running into our insiders like in the store or something. And even where were we? We were an hour away. It was at the Red Mill. We were an hour away and somebody recognized me from online and it was just like a weird moment. So anyways, so this is our insider subscriber list if you would like to join. We also occasionally do an additional one behind the scenes update per week. That's not every week though. So the insider subscriber list you can get to right here on the main page. So at sarahmichaels.com, the front page, become an insider. So if you put your name in, you'll get any of the previous insider emails, like how we decided to start traveling, how I almost didn't even go on our first date. Like, yeah, it's some fun stuff in there. So there's that. So I'd invite you to become an insider. If you are watching this video via YouTube, please feel free to give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button. And remember to hop over to sarahmichaels.com. Either make the most of my free resources, but I would highly encourage you to hop into a course or consider working with me so that we can get your business to the next level so that you can create complete lifestyle freedom and learn the business basics even with no experience and a bootstrap budget. So I will see you in the next video and I hope this was helpful. Bye.